students. Today we will continue frequency distribution tables and graphs, 7th chapter. Introduction. Jagadish watching sports news. A visual appeared on the TV screen showing that medals won by different countries in Olympics 2012. Olympics 2012's medals tally: United States 46 gold, 29 silver, 29 bronze, 104 total. China 38 gold, 27 silver, 23 bronze, 88 total. Great Britain 29 gold, 17 silver, 19 bronze, 65 total. Russia 24 gold, 26 silver, 32 bronze, 82 total. Korea 13 gold, 8 silver, 7 bronze, 28. The above table provides data about the top 5 countries that got the highest number of medals in the Olympics 2012 as well as number of medals they won. Information available in the numerical form or verbal form or graphical form that helps in taking decision or drawing conclusion is called data. Which country has got the highest number of medals? United States. Which country has got the highest number of bronze medals? Russia. Write 3 more questions based on the data provided in the table. By seeing this table, you can frame 3 questions. Okay. Basic measures of central tendency. Usually we collect data and draw certain conclusions based on the nature of data. Understanding its nature, we do certain computations like mean, median and mode, which are referred as measures of central tendency. Let us recall arithmetic mean. It is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. For a set of numbers, the mean is simply the average, that is, sum of observations divided by number of observations. Arithmetic mean of x1, x2, x3, x4, so on xn is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on xn by total how many n. Therefore, x bar is equal to summation of xi by n. It is a short representation. First example, Ashok got the following marks in different subjects in a unit test: 20, 11, 21, 25, 23 and 14. What is the arithmetic of his marks? What are the observations? 20, 11, 21, 25, 23 and 14. So what is the formula? X bar is equal to summation of xi by n. You have to all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6 equal to, if you add this total you will be getting 114 by 6 is 19. Okay, next question. Arithmetic mean of 7 observations was found to be 32. If one more observation 48 was added to the data, what would be the new mean of the data? Mean of 7 observation is given as 32. Sum of 7 observations is given as 32 into 7 is 224. Added observation is what? 48. Sum of 8 observations will be 224 plus 48 is 272. So mean of the observations will be 272 by 8 equal to 34. Mean age of 25 members of a club was 38 years. If 5 members were mean age of 42 years have left the club, what is the present mean age of the club members? Mean age of 25 members of the club is 38 years. Total age of 25 members is 38 into 25 is 950. Mean age of 5 members is 42 years. Total age of 5 members will be 42 into equal to 210. Total age of remaining 20 members will be 950 minus 210 is 740. So the mean will be 740 by 20 equal to 37 years. Okay students, in the next class we will continue. Thank you.